Along with the Indian Post, the North East Postal Circle had started the celebration of the National Postal Week 2022 on the 9th of October, which will end on the 14th of October. This year's celebration is aimed at creating awareness about the role of India Post and its contribution towards national development. While addressing newspersons on the 10th of October 2022, Chief Postmaster General Subrat Das said that as part of the National Postal Week, the North East Postal Circle is celebrating World Postal Week through various programs that include Vidya Sashaktikaran Divas, Philately Day, Mails and Parcels Day, and Antyodaya Divas.
Many of you would be aware that the circle consists of 6 states, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Manipur, Agartala and Arunachal Pradesh. So in terms of our both breadth as well as depth of postal operations, we are quite diverse, and therefore when we organize celebrations like this, it takes place in each of the districts, in each of the subdivisions across all these 6 states. As you know, for us, World Post Day is of great significance because on this day the Universal Postal Union was set up. This is a body under the aegis of United Nations, and it consists of a committee of nations which provide universal postal service as well as premium postal service across the length and breadth of the world. Now for us, our ministry has decided that the World Postal Week, starting with the World Post Day, which was yesterday, would be celebrated with different kind of activities that would represent the post in its various activities being offered by the post office.